Beverly Gate, first jeepney ride. We're going to eat burger and riding a jeepney. Hey, pay. 13.
She charged too?
No.
Kids ride free?
Yeah.
Sino lang yan.
Nalingaw siya.
Right, where'd he go?
Hi guys. Guess where we are? We are in show that. I don't know if they can see. Oh, there's the screen. We are in Underworld. We will let Arnie try the snow world and lots of rides there.
She's never been on a roller coaster, right? And also never seen snow. So those two kind of big things that it'd be fun to do.
Yeah, but every day, are you gonna ride? No, I'm tired. Alright, let's try it. We're allowed to videotape, but maybe not.
I think just not in Snow World.
Not in Snow World.
But the big Ferris wheel too, I'm not sure if that's something. But yeah, we're excited to be fun.
Alright, let's go. Arnie, show your face. Is the camera red? Here we go.
Highest one in the world.
Did we try that last time?
Yeah.
We did? Oh, I forgot. Ooh. Arnie, challenge accepted? Yeah. Yes pa. We're inside. We'll see which one we'll do first. We're here for the ride, but their faces are looking at the food. It looks yummy. I can smell it from here. But yeah, let's go. Oh, there's another restaurant there. No outside food, strictly no. Okay. So this is the line. Arnie, your height first. Height. No sandal. Kung may sandal, buwa daw. Okay.
We're lucky. It's actually supposed to rain a little bit today, so right now it's blue sky. I wish it was a little bit cloudy.
Oh, why it's zigzag. Okay, no pregnant allowed. No 65 years old. So nani? No cell phone, no camera, no smoking, no Arnie. Viking Arnie! Oh my god! I tried that last time! I tried that last time. I will not try it again. Unlimited, right? It's a limited ride. Oh, bisa unsa? Yes.
Whatever you want, yeah, as many times as you want.
Roller coaster first.
Roller coaster first? Alright.
Alright.
Akong ba?
Nan ako.
Damo dami.
Nisa, ato sa.
Alright, so we just finished the roller coaster. They wouldn't allow a video, but Arnie, how was it?
Scary. I just closed my eyes.
She closed her eyes the whole time. And that's probably scarier
Yeah.
to close your eyes, but she closed her eyes the whole time. That's a pretty fun ride.
Yeah.
Here, I'll show a little soon.
The first time and the last time.
The first time and the last time, she said. So that's a pretty cool depth. Has a little bit of everything. It has drops and it has you can go upside down.
The drop was scary.
Yeah.
When my head
Go upside down like that, yeah.
Yeah.
So she got to experience her first roller coaster going upside down, the drops. Well, you closed your eyes the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a fun one. How was your first experience? Pretty good? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
All right, good. On to the next.
This is the last time.
Last time. Overload. See Mommy and Arnie? Everly.
Spaghetti.
Everly's first ride.
Yeah, first and last ride.
So we tried other rides, but this is the only ride we can.
Go. We tried the roller coaster, but they said no.
That's a roller coaster. The horse.
Hey.
Really kiss me.
Okay.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Ay, really cute. Look at Daddy. Wow, ready for snow.
Everybody's getting ready for the snow. The cold weather in Michigan. Hey!
Even summer, she's gonna wear that. She likes it.
Any season. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
She looks totally different.
Where's your ear?
Hey!